What if I told you there's a flagship smartphone with a 7200 mAh battery, a full screen with no punch hole, and a camera system that behaves like a real DSLR, all packed into a slim premium frame? That device exists, and today I'm showing you why the Nubia Z80 Ultra might be one of the most underrated powerhouses of the year. If you're watching this because you're tired of the same old flagship formula, this video is absolutely worth your time, because this phone does things most brands don't even attempt. Right away, the Z80 Ultra makes a strong impression the moment you pick it up. It's surprisingly light for a device with this much battery, coming in at about 227 grams, and the design feels clean, modern, and instantly recognizable. The white version I have here looks incredibly sharp, but it also comes in blue and black. And you'll notice something interesting as soon as you hold it. Nubia didn't just make a phone, they built something that's designed to feel premium the moment it hits your hand. Now, this display is where things start to separate from the competition. You're looking at a massive 6.85-inch full-screen panel with no cutout anywhere, because the 16-megapixel selfie camera is hidden under the display. That means your games, your movies, your content, nothing breaks the immersion. Add in 2000 nits of brightness, a razor-sharp 1.5K resolution, and a 144Hz refresh rate, and you've got one of the smoothest, most visually satisfying screens on any flagship today. If you're someone who values a distraction-free screen, this alone makes the Z80 Ultra worth watching. Flip the phone over and the camera system hits you immediately. Instead of the typical 24mm lens nearly every brand uses, Nubia gives you a 50-megapixel main camera at 35mm, a focal length closer to what the human eye naturally sees. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide with macro capability and a 64-megapixel telephoto that pulls in clean detail. Plus, Nubia adds a physical dual-stage shutter button. And powering all this is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Whether you're gaming, editing, streaming, or doing all of it at once, this chip chews through everything without hesitation. Combined with the 144Hz display, games like Call of Duty and Asphalt feel incredibly fluid. Benchmarks are strong and stable, and thermal management holds up without sudden throttling. For anyone who wants real flagship performance without paying four-digit prices, this is where things get very interesting. The Z80 Ultra packs a massive 7200 mAh silicon carbon battery, which not only lasts all day, but charges back fast with 80-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging. Software-wise, Nebula AIOS 2.0 on Android 16 feels clean, customizable, and smooth. You get Circle to Search, AI text tools, Gemini integration, face unlock, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. It also comes with IP68/IP69 water and dust resistance. And speaking of price, here's the big surprise. The 12/256 model starts around $649, and the 16/512 version sits around $799. And anyone who wants a flagship that stands out instead of blending in, this phone is absolutely worth a look. And if you're still here, thanks for sticking around this long. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you liked or disliked about this video. Your feedback helps me make these reviews even better.